Hi, I'm Brian from Floors to Your Home, and I'm coming to you today from one of our jam-packed warehouses full of flooring in Indianapolis, Indiana. And I'm here to announce to you a brand new initiative that we are so excited about here at Floors to Your Home. Every day, we at Floors to Your Home get to watch our customers completely transform their spaces while saving tons of money. We feel good when we do good. And we are now going to expand that program and announce a brand new initiative called Floors for Good, brought to you by Floors to Your Home. Floors for Good is going to be our way of giving back to a not-for-profit or a charity that needs new flooring as part of their organization. But we need all of you to help us. So here's what we need from you. Maybe you donate to a local charity. Maybe you volunteer at a non-for-profit. Maybe you sit on the board of an organization here in Indianapolis. Maybe you just have heard of a great organization that's out there doing good for others. We need you to tell us about these individual groups. We need you to nominate your favorite charity or not-for-profit. We've created a brand new website, floorsforgood.com. And on that website, you'll see a simple nomination form. We are opening up nominations now, and we'll whittle that list down to 5 worthy groups. We then really need your help. We are going to ask you, the public, to vote out of the 5 individual charities or not-for-profits on which their favorite is that could really use a new floor. We are going to video this entire process, and we're going to share it along the way on our social channels. So please like us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We are going to go into depth on each of these 5 individual charities, highlighting exactly what they do in our community. Then we'll open up the voting process, and the group that gets the most votes will win a brand new floor from Floors to Your Home. It's not about flooring. It's about showcasing and highlighting these fantastic organizations that are out there doing good for others. They are the heroes, and we want to shine a light on their mission and their individual organizations. So, first things first, please follow our social pages and share this video with anyone you may know who can nominate worthy charities in the Indianapolis area. Then, follow along as we document this process and vote on your favorite charity out of the final 5. We are excited and grateful to launch Floors for Good, and we can't wait to share with you every step of this process along the way. Who is going to donate a floor to a local charity doing good? Floors to Your Home. That's who.